a study of the mixed meter piece Ecdysis by the Deftones. Your host, Mark Campbell from Symmetrical Drumming Australia. Ecdysis, written collaboratively by all band members. Chino Moreno, Stephen Carpenter, Abe Cunningham, Frank Delgado, and Fred Zablin. 4/4 time signature to start. The drums were recorded at American and East West Studios in Hollywood and Rock Falcon Sienna in Nashville. Change to 6/4 time signature. Five-beat bar. Back to 4/4. Rivers rising, swollen, streams dividing. It's way through the valleys. Change to 6/4 time signature. Five-beat bar. Change to 6/4 time signature. 7-beat bar. 6-beat bar. 7-beat bar. 3-beat bar. 4 on the floor. Demi-semi-quavers, ride and snare. Double time accents. Six-beat bar to the end. Three-beat end into rich with rock ending.